Woohoo, ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of 40KPa's cordless vacuum cleaner because it is not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So it is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It has a runtime of up to 55 minutes and comes with several swappable heads for different surfaces. So we got this vacuum for a couple of reasons. The first is we've got different types of floors and we wanted something that vacuumed effectively on all of them. The second reason is because we've got kids who are constantly making messes, but they often drop stuff on the ground like food, crumbs, and other stuff that are just heavier to pick up. So we needed something powerful enough to pick up heavy debris. And the third reason is because we have a dog who is shosho asham, but he sheds all the time. So we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, carpet, and rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads and cyclone. Starting with the motor bar cleaning head. So this is your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, all of our rugs and tile. Then you have this crevice nozzle for picking up fine debris in corners or hard to reach areas. Then you have this 2-in-1 brush, which simply pressing this button here retracts back and protracts forward the brush head, which is really good for removing dust from dusty surfaces or soft furniture. Then you have this extender wand that by pressing this little button here extends or shortens the wand, transforming it from, like a stick vacuum to an upright handheld vacuum. Finally, you have the cyclone. You've got this little button here that if you press, it releases the dustbin door to empty out the dustbin. But then if you press on this button here by the handle, it allows you to both remove the dustbin completely to both wash and rinse out. It also provides access to the filters too. Then to access and actually clean the filters, you'll simply remove the dustbin and then yank on this little pull tab here to remove the filter. You'll take this part, run it under water and rinse it off, let it air dry for 24 hours, and then simply insert it back in, wedge it into place, and then you're good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that just slides in and locks into place under the handle and trigger. And then pressing the trigger, it'll actually activate the cyclone and illuminate the back LCD screen to show you how much power you have left and what power mode you're actually using. And then if you press this button here, it'll switch it from eco mode to turbo mode to super deluxe turbo boost mode. So on an empty dustbin and a full charge, I can clean the laundry room, my kids' room, the bathroom, hey Tommy, the toy room, this entire toy room, this little book nook area, another kid's room right there, all of the downstairs, this living room, dining room, the entire kitchen, this mud room right here, this front entry room right here, this bathroom, master closet, and then bedroom as well. And what I'll do is occasionally switch it to Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode to pick up heavier debris or crumbs that are kind of lodged or stuff in carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure you're standing over a trash can and then you'll just press this button here. It'll swing the door open and then just give it a couple of pats and if necessary, a little grab or two. And what it'll do is it'll empty out most of the remaining debris and then you simply close this lid until it locks into place and then you're good to go. And then charging it is pretty simple as well. You simply just plug it into this little port found here. And if it's still attached to the cyclone, it'll actually illuminate that LCD screen, indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%. But you can also remove the battery as well to charge it separately from the cyclone for, further convenience. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues, works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery and allows you to easily vacuum to your heart's content. So yeah, it's great, especially for that turbo boost mode and picking up lodged crumbs, debris, or even my dog's pet hair in the carpet. So that's my product overview of 40KPa's cordless stick vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or heart on this video. Over and out.